Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
Sèériøus don't turn to border. No motor they come, no motor they go. Because of the failure of Buhari, because of the failure of PDP, because of the failure of APC. Wetin the poor masses do now this government. Dangote is one of the wicked and heartless richest man we have in Nigeria. Your truck go spoil road, to fix the road you no go do. Now only bad person, winch, they no go share this video. Okowa, road wey lead to your state, e no good for the past months, for the past years now. As of Senate, wetin una dey work, Oba said your land on the distress small small. Benin on the scatter, make una rise give Buhari, let Nigeria go. The difference is clear, say Buhari coming to Nigeria to destroy Federal Road. Federal Road, una be God, make una let Nigeria good. Now bad thing, una go dey invest for abroad, for different country, but una own land go dey destroy. No road again, all Federal Road for Benin don spoil finish. Since 3 days, some people never bath. I carry 50,000 go that place and share 2,000 naira give them for that place. See all the old boys, there's a sleep that place. Since some Monday, Hard TV come that place, EBS come that place. They talk, they don't mind them. They do this one, they don't mind them. The poor masses, they die every day for suffer, for struggle, hard life. Whereas the big men Shūtdőwn, when they shop money we made to do road, to do different things, house of rape, house of fraud, house of 419, government has 419, government has thief. Una must seize that road. Yes, now our money. Road will lead, go where for the do oil. Bias are different place. Okowa. Enough is enough. Una be wicked people, una be. Whether Edo state government, Delta state government, Bayelsa state government, Buhari and Dangote, like it or not, una must finish this Sèériøus road. Una must do am. Now we are right because the oil belongs to us. We all now Nigeria. Una no fit dey fraud the money of the oil, of gas, different things for us, not doing the road for the masses. Una be wicked people. Una must fix am. Now must. Who get this trailer away from that place now? Who get those truck? Now poor man get them, not una for government get them, Dangote and different people get them. Whereas the masses now use leg the trek. They slap. Some of them that shoot don't fire. They go pay transport fare. Then still 21st century see road. And they see road don't cross. Even Dangote self is the problem of this country. Dangote. After all the your truck when you get, your truck go spoil when you go do one. Dangote is one of the biggest problems in this country. Sure, come this side. Your road don't block now. The government today, come, face me. People now no insurance. Go, come. Whereas when I for government get my personal car, enough is enough. If nobody talk, but that might go talk. That's why I be oracle. I know they hide my mouth. I say I work with the spirits. Today the spirits don't move. Enough is enough. See, all the Federal Road for Benin, don't want good again. All the Federal Road for Edo State, don't want good again because of Buhari and Federal government. Federal government, if they give una money to do road and not do, don't worry. Nobody go fit ask you now. But one day Allah go ask you. Yes, people will be say Boko Haram slaughter and Onogome slaughter, different slaughter. We not better pass them. That time he go take. We not go hear from the God of the promises. He gets one style when this fed after they fought our destiny. When the road go they spread, they don't go do am. After we don't result of those pay like trillions of naira before they come to am. Sèériøus road spoil for many years now. Many years. They go do the work half with fake Oyibo, they go leave am. Yes, people now go sleep there today. Don't truck driver. They be woman be like us. They deserve the same respect like us. They deserve the same good life like everybody. But una put upon ourselves to the traffic una children, go abroad, build good school, do different thing, but una country. Before you come, you say you go do road for us. Do different thing, Buhari. You're redeemed a nice man for this country. Yes. And that's where it be. Who they sing good song follow you? See, Obai Road, problem. How would you bypass? Problem. Let's up the road. But where even leads to where all your day? Okowa. It's a shame to all government we fail. It's a shame to all of us we fail. We fail the masses. Rain never starts. Almost your house of the poor masses for Saple Road don't destroy finish. Yes, man. It's a shame to us as in Nigeria. See, there's a thing go they spread small. Nobody go voice out to talk to these people. But when they campaign, they do different things. They promise different fake news. Job failure, road failure, lights failure, security failure. Useless people when they call themselves set of leaders without knowing that job, una don't fail. That road was a road. Una must do am this year. Una must fix am. If not, who say the masses not go sleep? You not go sleep. Una go hear for our God very soon. Place na ROCC where the evil for start last year. They bring one fake Oyibo come. He come commission this road, Parkstone, full road, see road. Up to today, this road remain the same. See am, fake Oyibo. See am. Up to today, watch am. ROCC remain the same up to now. Una go use the poor masses head for sacrifice. If they never die, they no go do roads. Wicked people. Una wife and una children dey for abroad, live for Dubai, for better country. Do road problem. Now una money, no be our money. Una no want to say here. Una thief our home, thief everything. That's how I go see. They say so. Bad road, just follow everywhere.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back. Una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.